question is, prove that when theta is 30 degrees, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here in this question, we have to substitute the value of theta in the given equations as equal to 30 degrees. Before doing that, let me write down the trigonometric ratios table. The three basic trigonometric functions are sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. And the five standard angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. The way how I remember this trigonometric ratios table is sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 degrees is 0. Sin 90 degrees is 1, cos 30 degrees is 0, tan 90 degrees is not defined. Sin 30 degrees is half, sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. The next row will have the reverse of the previous row. That is, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees is half. So here we can see that the row of cos theta is the reverse of the values in sin theta. Next, we know that for all, tan theta is the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. So therefore, we will have tan 30 degrees will be equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So now we have our trigonometric ratios table. Next, we have to substitute our value of theta to be equal to as 30 degrees. Our first equation is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Here we have to substitute the value of theta to be equal to as 30 degrees. So when we do that, we will get cos 2 into 30 degrees, which is equal to cos 60 degrees. The value of cos 60 degrees is half. So we will get half. Let this be our equation 1. Our second equation is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we are having cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here we have to substitute our value of theta to be equal to as 30 degrees. When we do that, we will get cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 30 degrees. For cos square 30 degrees, we have the value of cos 30 degrees to be equal to as root 3 by 2. So we will get root 3 by 2 whole square for cos square 30 degrees. Next, we are having minus sin square 30 degrees. We have the value of sin 30 degrees to be equal to as half. So we will get half whole square. This equation will be equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4. 2 into 2 is 2. We will have 1 by 2. This is our equation 2. Our third equation is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here we have to substitute our value of theta to be equal to as 30 degrees. So when you do that, we will get 1 minus 2 into sin square 30 degrees. When we do the calculations, we will get 1 minus 2 into sin square 30 degrees. The value of sin 30 degrees is half. So we will get 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, because we are having here sin square 30 degrees. When we do the calculations, we will get 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 2 is 2. So we will get 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus half is half. This is our equation 3. So far, we can see that our equation 1 is equal to our equation 2, which is equal to our equation 3. Next, our last equation is 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So our last equation is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here we have to substitute our value of theta to be equal to as 30 degrees. When you do that, we will get 1 minus tan square 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. So the value of tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. So when we substitute that in the equation, we will get 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. Next, when you take the LCM, we will get 3 minus 1 by 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. Denominator and denominator will cancel out each other. So we will have 2 by 4. 2 into 2 is 2. So we will get 1 by 2. This is our equation 4. Here we can see that our equation 1 is equal to our equation 2, which is equal to our equation 3, which is equal to our equation 4. All are equal to half. So therefore, we can write our final answer as equation 1 is equal to equation 2 is equal to equation 3 is equal to equation 4. This will be our final answer. Hence, proved. If you understood the concept, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you.